Module 11, the earthworm's reproductive system. The last body system of the earthworm I'm going to discuss is the reproductive system. Earthworms are hermaphroditic, which means that they possess both male and female reproductive organs. That means that an earthworm is neither male nor female, it's actually both, because it can produce both eggs and sperm. But an earthworm can't mate with itself, it needs to sexually reproduce. So an earthworm will produce sperm and store it in seminal vesicles. Its eggs will be stored in its oviducts. Then when it finds another worm, they will arrange themselves facing opposite directions and attach with a slime tube. Here is where they will deposit their sperm into the other's seminal receptacle. Then they will detach from each other, but each will keep their slime tubes surrounding themselves. Some days later, a cocoon will form around the worm's clitellum. The worm will then wriggle out of the cocoon. As it moves out, the cocoon will pass over the oviducts where the eggs will be released into it. Then, as it moves over the seminal receptacles, the sperm from the other worm will be released. Once the worm is free of the cocoon will seal itself. Inside, the eggs will become fertilized, and eventually a juvenile earthworm will emerge. So we have now covered all of the major systems in an earthworm. This is a lot of material to take in, but just understand that you need to know well the organs of the earthworm along with their purposes, but you will not need to do that for any other organism we cover in this module.